Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the Unblock Tech UBOX 8 Pro Max TV box. This TV box uses an 8-core Cortex processor running at 2.4 GHz and comes with 4 GB of DDR3 RAM as well as a total capacity of 64 GB of flash memory. It supports 6K decoding as well as all of the TV resolutions including 4K, 1080p, 720 as well as supporting PAL and NTSC. This is the 8th generation of the UBOX and comes with the latest OS, the Android 10, and for connectivity it uses the 10100 LAN as well as dual band Wi-Fi including the 2.4 GHz as well as the 5 GHz. I can't wait to plug this in and see how it works. The latest UBOX 8 Pro Max should offer well over 5,000 movies as well as hundreds of TV channels. So let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Unblock Tech UBOX 8 Pro Max. Let's have a look inside the box. Okay, we have the instruction manual. And we also have the warranty card. Here we have the UBOX 8 Pro Max. We'll come back to that in a sec. Let's have a look at the accessories inside the box. All right, so we have 2 boxes inside here. Let's take a look. Alright, let's start off with this one. This is the remote control. This is an interesting unit. And here we go. It's a nice white controller here. We've got the volume up and down. We have the option menus left, right, up and down as well. And return button, home button, power button. And also this one, interestingly, is the voice activation. You can actually hold it and then press and speak to it, and it will do the voice commands based on Alexa and Google as well. So interesting, yeah. And let's have a look at the cables inside. We have HDMI cable. We also have the power pack. Here we go, and this one is the UK plug, and yeah, plugs into the unit itself to power up, and that's it for the accessories. Let's take a look at the UBOX 8 Pro. Okay, let's take a look at the UBOX 8 Pro Max. And here we have a nice little grey black little strip right here that actually glows blue with LEDs. So yes, when you switch it on, it looks really nice. Okay, let's have a look at the side here. We have OS version 8. It's not actually version 8, it's the 8th gen of the UBOX. And what you have in here is the Android 10 OS. Here we have the micro SD card, and then a USB port. All right, so look at the rear. Starting on this side, we have the AV output here, the HDMI, 10100 LAN, USB port, and the power connector right here. And that's basically it. But this is a new version, has all the channels, and of course we will test it out. Look at the menu system. It should be very similar to the other UBOX that we had before, but more to do with the new Android OS 10 and supports a lot more applications. So the UBOX 8 Pro comes with an 8-core processor and 4 GB of DDR3 RAM, as well as 64 GB of flash memory. All right, so let's plug this in and see what it looks like and have a look at the menu system.
And there you have it. That was a quick look at the UBOX 8 Pro Max TV box, offering thousands of movies and hundreds of TV channels. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget, you can actually buy this via the links in the description. And of course, visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.